2026 Toyota Motorhome. A perfect blend of Japanese engineering, modern design, and innovative technology crafted for adventure lovers. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome is designed for travelers who demand comfort, reliability, and performance on the road. From the exterior, it carries Toyota's modern design DNA, featuring sleek aerodynamic lines, a bold grille, LED matrix headlights, and a reinforced lightweight chassis built for both durability and fuel efficiency. Built on a robust frame, this motorhome offers a smooth ride on highways and rugged terrain alike, making it ideal for both urban and off-grid exploration. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome is powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain combining a 2.5L Atkinson cycle engine with dual electric motors. This setup ensures impressive torque and acceleration while maximizing fuel economy, a crucial benefit for long-distance travelers. The intelligent all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension provide stability, control, and comfort across a variety of road conditions. It also features regenerative braking and multiple driving modes, including Eco, Normal, and Power to suit different driving needs. Inside, the cabin is a showcase of luxury, space, and smart design. The driver's cockpit is equipped with Toyota's latest infotainment system, featuring a 12.3-inch touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, and voice command functionality. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, and a head-up display enhances safety by keeping essential information within the driver's line of sight. The living area is equally impressive, offering seating for 5 and sleeping accommodations for up to 4. High-quality materials like vegan leather upholstery, bamboo accents, and soft LED ambient lighting create a cozy, premium atmosphere. The motorhome includes a convertible lounge area with a dining table, a fully equipped kitchenette with a microwave, induction cooktop, refrigerator, and a sink with filtered water system. The rear bedroom features a queen-size memory foam mattress, USB charging ports, ambient reading lights, and smart storage solutions. The bathroom includes a standing shower with a skylight, a compact toilet, and eco-conscious water-saving systems. Solar panels on the roof feed into a lithium-ion battery pack that powers the interior when off-grid, and the climate control system ensures comfort in all seasons. Key highlights: all 6 BMW Motorhome, a luxurious fusion of German engineering, modern technology, and adventure-ready design. The 2026 BMW Motorhome represents a bold step for the brand, bringing BMW premium performance and iconic styling into the luxury RV segment. From the outside, the motorhome captures immediate attention with its aerodynamic silhouette, kidney grille, inspired front fascia, laser headlights, and sculpted body lines that pay tribute to BMW design language. Large alloy wheels and subtle chrome accents give it a refined, sporty stance, while high-strength composite panels offer lightweight durability for long-distance touring. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW Motorhome is powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain based on the brand's latest high-performance architecture. The combination of a turbocharged inline-six engine and dual electric motors provides seamless torque delivery and silent cruising. It offers selectable driving modes including Comfort, Eco Pro, and Sport Plus, making it suitable for every kind of road trip, whether in the city or on rugged terrain. Paired with adaptive air suspension and intelligent all-wheel drive, it delivers smooth handling and excellent stability on highways and mountain passes alike. Inside, the BMW Motorhome offers a first-class travel experience. The cabin features minimalist luxury with ambient lighting, high-end wood and leather finishes, and expansive digital displays that control everything from navigation to entertainment. The cockpit mirrors a BMW luxury sedan with a curved OLED driver display and a central touchscreen infused with iDrive 9. Zero software, voice command, gesture controls, and 5G connectivity ensure convenience on the go. The living space is equally impressive, designed to accommodate 4 adults in comfort. The lounge includes 2 reclining sofas that convert into beds, a hidden 55-inch smart TV, and a Harman Kardon surround sound system. The kitchen is equipped with a convection stove, smart fridge, microwave, and built-in coffee system. The dining table extends automatically and can be controlled via app. The bedroom in the rear features a queen-size floating bed with memory foam mattress, wireless charging pads on both sides, and built-in storage compartments. The bathroom rivals any luxury hotel with a rainfall shower, digital water temperature control, and eco-smart toilet. Solar panels on the roof power interior systems, reducing reliance on external hookups. Additional standout features include self-leveling stabilizers, a panoramic sunroof with electrochromic tinting, and a BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant to manage internal systems. Safety is paramount with Level 2 autonomous driving support, 360-degree camera systems, night vision, and adaptive cruise control. This motorhome blends the spirit of exploration with the luxury and precision BMW is known for. 26 Chevrolet Motorhome, a bold and innovative entry that blends American engineering with the comfort of a luxury RV. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is designed to provide a refined travel experience for families, adventurers, and digital nomads alike. Built on a strong and versatile heavy-duty platform, this motorhome carries Chevrolet's legacy of durability and performance into the world of recreational vehicles. The exterior styling features a sleek aerodynamic body with modern LED lighting, bold contours, and an unmistakable Chevrolet front fascia. High ground clearance and large alloy wheels make it capable of navigating both highways and remote off-grid locations with ease. Under the hood, the motorhome comes equipped with a powerful 6.6L V8 engine paired with a hybrid electric system that delivers impressive torque and towing capability. With approximately 450 horsepower and advanced fuel management technology, it balances power and efficiency, ensuring a smooth and confident drive. The automatic 10-speed transmission and adaptive cruise control contribute to a seamless driving experience, whether you're cruising across state lines or exploring scenic mountain roads. Inside, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome offers a luxurious yet practical living space. It includes a spacious lounge with convertible seating, a fold-out dining table, and premium upholstery. The interior is crafted with soft, touch materials, LED mood lighting, and smart storage compartments. The kitchen features modern appliances including a microwave, dual burner cooktop, refrigerator, and ample cabinet space, all designed to mimic a true home on wheels experience. Sleeping accommodations include a master bed with memory foam mattress, a fold-down bunk area, and options for expanding with slide-out modules. The bathroom is compact yet functional with a walk-in shower, smart toilet system, and vanity mirror with touch illumination. Climate zones throughout the motorhome ensure personalized comfort, while the built-in water filtration and solar panel setup support off-grid adventures. Chevrolet has equipped this model with the latest technology suite, including a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless smartphone integration, a 360-degree camera view, and multiple USB-C charging ports. Smart home integration allows users to control lighting, climate, and security features remotely. Safety features include lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is a testament to how far recreational travel has evolved. It offers a perfect mix of comfort, power, and technological sophistication, making it ideal for long road trips or luxurious weekend getaways. Whether you're an RV enthusiast or someone exploring the idea of mobile living, this vehicle brings practicality and style together effortlessly. 26 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. A bold step into luxury mobility that combines elegance, engineering brilliance, and unmatched comfort. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is a unique creation that redefines ultra-luxury travel. From its first glance, the motorhome makes a royal statement with a towering presence and majestic silhouette. The exterior showcases Rolls-Royce's signature Pantheon grille, coach doors, chrome accents, and Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, preserved with the grandeur you expect. Its sleek lines, sculpted frame, and customizable paint options make it a true masterpiece on wheels. Powering this luxurious home on wheels is a hybrid V12 engine that delivers an incredibly smooth and silent performance. With an estimated 700 horsepower, this motorhome glides effortlessly, offering seamless acceleration, adaptive air suspension, and a whisper-quiet cabin experience. The integration of Rolls-Royce's advanced Magic Carpet Ride system ensures that every mile, no matter the terrain, feels like floating on air. Inside, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is a sanctuary of refinement. The cabin is draped in handcrafted wood veneers, fine leather upholstery, and crystal inlays, all tailored to the owner's preferences. The living space includes a private lounge with a starlight headliner, a custom cinema screen, and reclining massage seats. The kitchen is compact yet elegantly designed with state-of-the-art appliances, hidden compartments, and smart control features. A lavish master suite at the rear includes a king-size bed, customizable lighting themes, an entertainment system, and panoramic windows for immersive views. The spa-like bathroom offers a marble-lined shower, gold-plated fixtures, heated floors, and a smart vanity system. Every surface, corner, and material speaks of perfection and timeless class. Tech-wise, the motorhome is loaded with Rolls-Royce's cutting-edge innovations, including a voice-activated assistant, gesture-controlled displays, 5G connectivity, and climate control zones. Solar roof panels, an off-grid energy bank, and real-time diagnostics make this motorhome not only luxurious, but efficient and sustainable. Designed for elite travelers who demand exclusivity and grace, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is not just a mode of transport, it's a lifestyle. Whether parked at a scenic destination or cruising down a highway, this vehicle ensures an experience of ultimate sophistication. If you're passionate about luxury vehicles and groundbreaking designs like this, make sure 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome redefines the boundaries of what a recreational vehicle can be. Designed for ultra-luxury travelers, it fuses Bugatti's hypercar DNA with next-level comfort, cutting-edge technology, and jaw-dropping aesthetics. This is not just a motorhome, it's a moving palace on wheels, built for the elite who demand performance and elegance, even when off-grid. From the outside, the motorhome commands attention with its sleek aerodynamic silhouette, carbon fiber accents, and signature Bugatti grille. LED matrix headlights, active air intakes, and an adaptive suspension system give it both an aggressive stance and superior functionality. The extended length and lung body are sculpted for height, speed stability, and maximum luxury space, while the two-tone paint options reflect Bugatti's hypercar heritage. Under the hood lies a hybrid powertrain featuring a quad, turbocharged W16 engine paired with advanced electric motor. This combination delivers astonishing torque and seamless performance, making it the fastest luxury motorhome in the world. Bugatti has engineered the drivetrain to maintain high-speed cruising ability without compromising interior comfort. The intelligent all-wheel drive system, air suspension, and torque vectoring ensure confident handling in all driving conditions. Step inside, and the Bugatti Motorhome transforms into a 5-star suite. The interior is handcrafted with premium materials including Alcantara, polished carbon fiber, brushed aluminum, and crystal glass finishes. The cockpit offers a panoramic digital display, AI navigation, and full connectivity through a 5G-enabled interface. Swivel captain chairs in the front provide unmatched comfort and seamlessly integrate with the living space once parked. The lounge area includes a customizable sofa lounge with a hidden OLED smart TV, voice-controlled ambient lighting, and a real-time climate control system. The gala-style kitchen features a wine chiller, induction stove, smart refrigerator, and a high-efficiency dishwasher. The master suite includes a king-size retractable bed, mood lighting, and built-in surround sound. A private luxury bathroom offers a rainfall shower with aromatherapy features, high-end ceramic fixtures, and heated flooring. What makes the Bugatti Motorhome truly elite is its technology. Features include facial recognition entry, solar-integrated roof panels, a 360-degree security system, and an automated leveling system. You also get onboard AI management for utilities and smart home style voice control for lighting, media, and climate. In terms of practicality, the Bugatti Motorhome includes under-chassis storage for luxury gear, a concealed outdoor kitchen setup, and a retractable awning for al fresco living. Every component, from the wheel design to the layout of the rear suite, speaks of precision, performance, and passion for design.